We must seize the offer of salvation that comes to us in the here and now. Some opportunities do not come a second time, when failure to act would mean losing our chance. Some graces belong to the day and the hour. The moment of grace, the kairos, is a favorite biblical term. Kairos is not just a moment in linear time as the Greeks called chronos, but a very special moment with life-changing implications. The kairos must be seized promptly in order to do the will of God. The stakes are high, and not to decide is itself a negative decision. In spite of conflicts, both internal and external, this time can be a kairos for us individually and for the universal church. We and our leaders need to interpret the present time and act for God with the same energy as the original Christians. Observing the natural virtues of prudence and courage, we must do our best both to practice and to share the Spirit of Jesus Christ. The people in Jesus' time noticed the weather too. They knew what to expect from the direction of the wind and so could read the face of the earth and the sky. Sadly, they were unable to read signs of the times. They failed to recognize that God was among them in a special way. We too can be very aware of the weather, but not so aware of how God is present to us. Jesus will be with us always until the end of time. The signs of His presence can be subtle and non-dramatic, but true and real, that we may have the sight to see how the Lord is present to us, especially in and through those whom we meet in the course of our day. Let's pray for this grace for one another.